Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iachinos. Another big sell-off in Bitcoin to start off, and Ethereum, by the way. Our next major cluster area was the 6902 area, 6900, and we spiked below that, to 6815, and now rallied back to the rotation zone. So that is all done. Let me zoom out here. I'm going to clean up some of these levels right now. We're going through a bunch of them. So the next let me update this first to really get a clear picture. I put the retracements on here, just wanted to get some of these things out of the way so you can see what is going on. So spiking below that 6900 level and then rallying back, you see coming back about the 12.5% retracement straight to the rotation zone, and now rotating back down. Does not look like we got a divergence here, slightly still spike lower RSI. So that's what we're looking at with just this is deeply oversold now on a 4-hour and a daily basis. It's already hit the first level of resistance at 7,400. If we keep rallying, watch for key resistance coming in at 7,700. That's where the top of the rotation zone is on the 4-hour chart, and the 25% retracement. So that's a very strong area. I'm just going to jump over to the daily chart and get the bigger picture right now. So you see here, bigger picture, we broke below those swing lows back in October 24th. And now we're back trading at levels that you can see as key support over here. We're just trading below that back from June and May. So we're back to those levels before the big run up. Big volume bar in here. Looks like we have, again, dip buyers stepping in now and returning to their prior support, becoming resistance. So first level on the daily chart is, we're just going to watch that 7,400 level as the first resistance, and then if we did rally beyond that 7,706 level, next major level is 8,011. So we're just going to go to the whole number being 8,000. We can look where our clusters are now. We have about 6,400 is the next major cluster. That's right between these two projections. So 6,400 and then 5,923. Those are the next levels to the downside. We are deeply oversold. Again, that doesn't have to stop the move. We were oversold yesterday. But again, we're at some point we're either going to drift sideways, let the rotation zone catch up, and then push lower, or we're going to rally back and retouch the rotation zone. We don't know which yet. We're going to have to keep watching price action as it unfolds over the next few days. Over to Ethereum. So Ethereum also sold off. We had 143.34, spiked below there to all the way down to 139.14. Remember, we're not trying to call the exact price. We're trying to get a level which we take action. So if you are short, you definitely move down a stop here, or if you're short, you could cover something here and then reestablish your short. Now you see here we're also returning straight to the rotation zone on the 4-hour chart and rotating down. This did do a divergence, so lower low in price action, higher low in RSI, return to the rotation zone. So if this doesn't go to make a new low, it's running out of momentum. The next key area we'd be watching, if it does rally more, back to about 161.39 area. That is the next key level at this point. What we're going to do here, we just update this to there and move this to get us an idea what the next key levels down are. So based off next key levels down, we'd be watching for 131.82 and 124.50. Although we did get that divergence, so it is running out of momentum. See here, it's over to the daily chart. Daily chart, we're back below all these levels. I'm really zooming out here. We're trading back at levels we haven't seen since April. And we found, see all this area back in March, we found some key support down there. So we're trading, all this run up has been erased since then. We're trading back at levels of March and April. So that is pretty significant. There might be some pretty strong support right in here. It's getting overextended from the rotation zone. Really, the key area I would watch on any rallies is 161 area. because you see it's not only the 25% retracement, it's this little prior support area and this little prior support area. So we have a fair amount of support, and it was just below this support area. So that's really the key area of resistance at this point. That's what we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.